everyone, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design. And it's October, which means we can do our arts and crafts for Halloween. Now I've already done a few, but today I'm focusing on upcycling some things I might have around the house to make my own witch's hat. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to make a witch's hat, you need either a pattern or another witch's hat to use to create a pattern. So I'm going to be using this one. So I know the measurements for the brim and then for the pointy part. You'll also need something to mark your material, some scissors, and then whatever material you want to use, which I'm going to be using a large bag that I ended up breaking. So I will be upcycling this awesome grocery bag style fabric into my witch's hat. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just cut my bag apart so it's a little bit more manageable to use. And the first thing now, as you can see, my bag isn't as big as my rim of my witch's hat. So instead of just tracing this, I'm going to fold my fabric in half and then just create a circle, a half circle. So when I cut it, it will be a full circle. So now that I have one piece cut, I'm going to use that to create a second piece just to make it a little bit more sturdy. And the type of adhesive I like to use is Super 77 by 3M. And I've just used it ever since college, and it works wonderful on so many different surfaces. So I just sprayed these together, and now I can trim and then create the circle in the center. Okay, so as I thought, the spray adhesive didn't hold it together well enough for me to turn it inside out. Okay, so I have two options. This is a tape roller, and then this is double-sided foam tape. So I'm gonna try the tape roller first, and if it doesn't stick, I'll use the double-sided foam tape. So now that we have both the top, the cone part, and the rim part, it's time to cut little slots around the bottom so then we can fit it through and it will stay on. And then I'll just tape it from the bottom. Well, thank you for joining me for my first time making a witch's hat using upcycled materials that I found around my house. And let's go ahead and try it on. It's a little bit small, but hey, we can try it again. Thank you for joining me with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I hope you continue to follow my channel and enjoy this wonderful Halloween season. Bye-bye.